Hello ladies and gentlemen. Now today we have another item in for repair. Customer says this one isn't vibrating. Apparently it's doing everything else but not vibrating. So let's get to see what is wrong with this device in itself. Let's remove the outer shell and get to see the device. So apparently the vibration motor isn't connected to the device and has come loose. Seems the wires that connect it has been broken apart due to use or overuse, maybe, But let's see if we can locate these wires so we can reattach that motor so we can get this device pulsing and vibrating just like brand new again. Locating the wires in the device. There we go. Locating one. That's the second one. Let's push it through here. And let's see if we can reattach it back to this motor. Yes, and for those wondering, yes, this device has been disinfected and cleaned. Yeah, and gloves as a precaution. And device will also be cleaned and sent back to the customer and sterilized also. Yes, there you go. Motor has been reattached. Let's test and see. And there you go. Another happy and satisfied customer.